one is on demand software. And the next point, whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security, as well as your application performance. Am I right? And guys, one more thing, what is mean by multi-tenant architecture? Multi-tenant architecture, remember anyone? Okay, see, the multi-tenant architecture is nothing but so many members access the same application at particular time. Then we will call it as multi-tenant architecture. Just simply remember an example, our Facebook application. See, if you want, we can access the Facebook application through i3 processor, i5 processor, i7 processor. If you want, you can access from US, UK, India, anywhere. And at the same time, we all are using the same Facebook server. So remember, what is a multi-tenant architecture? The multi-tenant architecture is nothing but so many members access the same application at particular time. Then we will call it as multi-tenant architecture. Okay? And guys, what is mean by platform as a service? Platform as a service. Remember anyone?
Provide a platform to build own applications.
Excellent, Venkatesh. So platform as a service is nothing but it will provide a platform to build our own application. And the next one is infrastructure as a service. So what is mean by infrastructure as a service? Infrastructure as a service is nothing but it will provide the infrastructure like your data storage, hardware component, all the physical infrastructure. We will call it as infrastructure as a service. And we discussed about the salesforce.com. Am I right? So guys, what is mean by salesforce.com?
Like cloud computing and social enterprise,
Excellent. So the cloud.
software as a service.
So Salesforce.com is a cloud computing, social enterprise, software as a service, and it's founded in 1999. Mark Benioff, he is the CEO and founder of our Salesforce.com. Am I right? These all are we discussed in the demo class. Now, the today's class we are going to discuss about the CRM. So guys, do you have any idea on the CRM? What is mean by CRM and why we need the CRM? Any idea? Any idea? Anyone? What is mean by CRM?
Customer relation management.
Excellent. So the CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. In order to develop the stronger relation between the customers, we will use the CRM. Remember this point, guys. Once again, what is a CRM? A CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. In order to develop the stronger relation between the customers, we will use the CRM. So now guys, the today's class we are going to discuss about the history of the CRM. So first of all, we are planning to discuss about the history of the CRM. So see guys, the late 50s and 60s we are using B and S method. Remember this point? Late 50s and 60s we are using B and S method. So what is this B and S method? Remember this point guys, the B and S method stands for buying and selling. So remember this point, B and S method stands for buying and selling. What is this buying and selling? Remember this point. If you want to purchase any product, directly we will go to the store and we will purchase the product. That's it. There is no relation between the organization as well as the customer. Remember guys, B and S method stands for buying and selling. And see, the late 70s we are using RM method. So what is this RM method? Remember this point guys, RM method stands for relational marketing. Remember, RM method stands for relational marketing. So what is this relational marketing? So in the relational marketing, we are storing the customer information in a book. Remember guys, in our previous days, we are having very big account books, right? So in a RM method, we will store the customer information in a book. And see, after that, 90s, we are having CIMS method. So what is the CIMS method? Remember, the CIMS method is nothing but customer information management system. Remember this point, guys? CIMS method stands for Customer Information Management System. In this phase, we are storing the customer information in database. After 2000 onwards, our organizations are introduced the CRM. So once again, remember guys, first of all, 50s and 60s, we are using B&S method. Guys, so what is a B&S method? B&S method stands for buying and selling. In this phase, we don't have any, so there is no relation between the customer as well as the organization. So if the customer want any product means directly they will go to the store and they will purchase the product. There is no relation. And coming to RM method, the late 70s and 80s we are using RM method. So RM method stands for relational marketing. In this phase, we are storing the customer information in a book. And see, CIMS method stands for Customer Information Management System. In this phase, we are storing the customer information in database. So after 2000 onwards, to improve the performance, to improve the quality of this relationship, we are using the CRM. So what is the CRM? The CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. In order to develop the stronger relation between the customers, we will use the CRM. Guys, if anybody asked about the CRM, don't say it is a customer relation management. If anyone asked about the CRM means, the CRM means customer relation management. In order to develop the stronger relation with the customer, we are using the CRM. Okay, you just simply specify like this. And the next one, guys, the phases of the CRM. So the next important thing is phases of the CRM. Before going to these phases, I am taking a small example, guys. So guys, everybody aware of the HDFC bank? HDFC. Everybody aware of this? So here I'm taking a small example, guys. If the HDFC introduce a new gold credit card, so if the HDFC organization launched the new product called new gold credit card, first of all, what they will do, guys? If the HDFC organization launched the new product, first of all, what they will do? Any idea? Anyone? Not only the HDFC, guys, you can take any product. If the organization launched the new product, first of all, what they will do? Any idea? So first point, they will promote their brand. Remember, so not only the HDFC, guys, if any organization launch the new product mean, first of all, we will advertise, we will promote. Am I right? So the first thing is advertisement. So in our Salesforce, the advertisement we are calling as campaigns. So guys, here you can advertise so many ways through social website or to public website or through a newspaper, through television, whatever it may be. So what you are doing, the first phase is, first of all, I am just simply promoting my brand. I am just simply advertising my products. So what is the use of these advertisements? Any idea? So here I am said the first point is advertisement. Why we need to advertise this product? Any idea? Anyone? Why we need to advertise? See, if you are advertising that product means what will happen? More people will aware of that product. Okay, the HDFC launched the new gold credit card. Okay, so they are having the new product. So what is the next step? So here the more people of aware of your product. So what is the use of that one? So you are advertising. So once you advertise the product, then what will happen? The more people will aware of your product. That's okay. But what is the use of this one? So see guys, I'm taking a small example. So HDFC conducting a campaign in a central shopping mall. Okay, the HDFC guy is conducting a campaign in a central shopping mall. I visit to that shopping mall and I saw that campaign. The campaign is very good. The card, the features, everything is very good, guys. Then what we will do? Directly we will go to the campaign and we will ask the details of that particular product. We will ask the more details of that particular product. So what is this product? What are the advantages? What are the cashback? What are the reward points? Like that we will ask all the details of that particular product. See guys, here you are very much interested about that HDFC products, right? So you are the lead of HDFC. So remember this point, the lead. By using of the advertisement, mainly we will generate the leads, guys. Very, very important interview question. What is mean by lead? A lead is a prospect, the person who are interested about your product. Remember this point, guys. A lead is a prospect, the person who are interested about your product. One more point, guys. Lead is not a customer. He is just interested about your product. So he saw the campaign and is very much interested about your product. So here what's happening, guys? Through campaigns, through advertisement, I am generating the lead. Very, very important interview question here. What is mean by lead? A lead is a prospect, the person who are interested about your product. So once I generate the lead, then what will happen? See, for example, I visit that campaign and I collected all the necessary information. Then what the HDFC guy will do? He will collect your information, like, sir, your good name, your phone number, your annual salary, your email address, like that. They will collect all their information. Once they collect the information, then what they will do? They will submit that information to their sales team. Then after 2 to 3 days, you will get a call from the HDFC bank. Then they will say, sir, you are my gold customer. So we are providing 5 lakhs is a credit limit. And we are providing the cashback on your dining as well as the fuel charges. See what they are doing, guys. So here they are reward points, the cashback. What is this? They are providing the offers to attract the lead. Am I right? So what they are doing, once we capture the lead, means to attract the lead we will provide some offers. Remember the offers, we will call it as opportunities. So remember, here the offers we will call it as opportunities. Once we like these opportunities, then what we will do? We will purchase the product. Here remember this point, guys. Once we purchase the product, then only he is a customer of your organization. So remember, guys, first of all, what we are doing? We are conducting the campaign. So what is the use of this campaign? By using of the campaign, we are generating the leads. What is mean by lead? A lead is a prospect, the person who are interested about your product. Once we got the lead, then what we will do? We will provide the offers to attract the lead. And once the lead satisfied about your offers and your product, he will purchase your product. Remember, guys, once the lead purchase your product, then only we will call it as customer. Okay, so see, guys, this is the first phase of your CRM, like acquiring a new relation. Acquiring a new relation means what I am doing here? I am trying to get the new customer to my organization. So see, acquiring a new relation is nothing but what I am doing, guys. I am trying to get a new customer to my organization. Got it? So guys, as of now, any questions? Anyone? In acquiring a new relation, any questions, guys? Everybody clear? Okay. So I am going to the second phase. So in a first phase, what we are doing? I am trying to get the new customer to my organization. And the second one is enhancing the existing relation. So what is this enhancing the existing relation? So remember this point, guys. Enhancing the existing relation is nothing but we will try to get more business on the existing customer. So remember this point. Enhancing the existing relation is nothing but we will try to get the more business on the existing customer. So I'm taking a small example here. So in a first phase, the customer purchase our HDFC product. Then after 1 week, you will get a call from HDFC Bank again, and they just simply said, "Sir, HDFC introduced a medical insurance policy. In medical insurance policy, you can cover up to 1 lakh." See what they are doing, guys. You are already customer of HDFC and they are trying to get more business on you. So they already delivered the HDFC credit card. Now they are trying to sell their medical insurance policy also. See, what is this enhancing the existing relation? Enhancing the existing relation is nothing but I am trying to get more business on the existing customer. So remember this point, guys. What is this enhancing the existing relation? Enhancing the existing relation is nothing but I am trying to get more business on the existing customer. Got it? And see here, the last one is the retaining. What is this retaining? The retaining is nothing but a renewal. So in a third phase, we will renewal our contract. See, for example, after 2 to 3 days, your contract, your credit card will expire. Am I right? So again, you will get a call from HDFC and again they will provide you the offer. So, sir, you are my gold customer. So we are increasing your credit limit 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs and we are providing the offers on your dining and the fuel. So what they are doing, guys, again they are providing the offers to retain the customer. So this is the third phase of your CRM. So remember, guys, how many phases of CRM we have? The first one is acquiring a new relation. So what is this acquiring a new relation? Acquiring a new relation is nothing but we will try to get the new customer to our organization. And the second one, enhancing the existing relation. So what is this enhancing the existing relation? Remember, enhancing the existing relation is nothing but we will try to get more business on the existing customer. And the third one is retaining the customer relation. Retaining the customer relation is nothing but we will try to renewal the contract period. Okay, that is our retaining the customer relation. Got it? Any questions on this, guys? Any questions? Anyone? Okay, shall we go for the next slide? Okay. See, guys, here we specified the dashboard. So the first phase is we are just simply coming to the marketing. The marketing is nothing but your advertisement, your promotion. So in the first phase, what you are doing, you are just simply running the campaigns. So once you run the campaign, so what is the use of this campaign, guys? By using of the campaigns we will generate the leads, guys. Very important interview question, guys. What is mean by lead? Remember, a lead is a prospect, the person who are interested about your product. So by using of the campaigns we will generate the lead. Then what will happen? We will assign all the leads to your sales team and your sales team will pick only the qualified leads. See, for example, if you are conducting the campaign means you will get millions of lead records, but what they will do is they will pick only the qualified leads. Like for my organization, if the lead salary is greater than 25,000, then only he is a qualified lead. So see, guys, if the lead salary is greater than 25,000, then only he is a qualified lead. So see here, first of all, I'm just simply taking the qualified lead, and what will happen once we pick the qualified lead and we will provide the offers to attract the lead. Once the lead satisfied and he will purchase the product. So that is the order. Once we got the order, then what will happen? We will provide the support. So see, this is a complete CRM flow. Got it? Any questions, guys? Anyone? Okay. Shall we go for the next slide? See, the next point in our Salesforce, why Salesforce.com? See, we discussed about the Salesforce.com, right? So, what is the Salesforce.com? The Salesforce.com is a cloud computing social enterprise software as a service, and this company best known as its CRM product. So, it is saying our Salesforce.com best known as its CRM product. But guys, we are having so many CRM tools. The first of all, we are having the Siebel CRM provided by Oracle, old's well-known company. Microsoft Dynamics CRM provided by Microsoft, old's leading company. And the SAP CRM, old's well-known company. Java CRM, that is also most well-known company. Then why everybody looking for this Salesforce? So we are already having the predefined CRM tools, and compared to the Salesforce, those all are very cheap. Then why everybody looking for Salesforce.com? You know guys, in US almost 90% of banking's using the Salesforce.com. And in a UK or Europe, Australia, almost 98% of banking sectors using Salesforce.com. All the Java projects, most probably all the CBL projects, they all are migrating to Salesforce.com. What is the reason? Why we are getting this much huge market? See, the first thing, guys, our Salesforce comes under subscription basis. Remember this point? Our Salesforce.com comes under subscription basis. So, what is mean by subscription? Remember guys, I am having very big organization. We are having millions of users. We need more data speeds. We need so many functionality. So based on your requirement, you can purchase the Salesforce license. I need a small organization, like very few developers are working on that, and I need a very small data storage. Then based on your organization, based on your usage, you can purchase the Salesforce license. See guys, the first of all, the first point is our Salesforce comes under subscription basis. So based on your requirement, based on your usage, you can purchase the license. See, if you are using the Microsoft Dynamics CRM or SAP CRM or Siebel CRM, whatever it may be, you need to purchase the full license, whether you are using the small amount of work or if you are using very large application, whatever it may be guys, you need to purchase the full license. But coming to the salesforce.com, based on your organization, based on your usage, you can purchase the license. And one more important point guys, our Salesforce is a user friendly environment. This is a very important. Our salesforce.com is a user friendly environment guys. Here it is very easy to use, very easy to implement, and very easy to access. And one more point is our Salesforce having a excellent customer support guys. See, just now we discussed it, right? Whoever providing the software, they will take care of your database, your data security, and your application performance. So our Salesforce customer support team available 24 by 7. So if you have any issue in our salesforce.com, based on the priority, they will complete the case within the SLA. And one more important point is the data security. See guys, here we are using the Salesforce software, right? So here your Salesforce will take care of the data security. So compared to all the technologies, the Salesforce also very secured one. Okay, so remember this point guys, the first one, why salesforce.com. Remember the Salesforce is a why salesforce.com means our salesforce.com runs in the subscription basis. So what is mean by subscription? Subscription is nothing but based on your organization, based on your usage, you can purchase the license. And the next point, guys, our Salesforce.com is a user-friendly environment. So it is very, very easy to implement, very, very easy to usage, and very, very easy to access. And the next point is our Salesforce.com having excellent customer support. Remember this point, guys. Our Salesforce.com is a excellent customer support. And the last one is data security. So in our Salesforce, the data security also very, very high. Got it, guys? Any questions here? Anyone? Everybody clear, guys? Okay. So I'm going for the next concept, that is the Salesforce Editions. Guys, just now we discussed it, right? Our Salesforce comes under subscription basis. In our Salesforce, we are having 6 types of editions, guys. Remember this point? In our Salesforce, we are having total 6 types of edition. So see, the first one is a contact manager edition, the group edition, professional edition, enterprise edition, unlimited edition, and the last one is developer edition. So remember, guys, the first 5 editions are licensed versions in our Salesforce. So remember this point, our Salesforce provide 6 types of edition, and among these 6 types, the first 5 types of editions are licensed versions. You need to purchase the license, guys. And the last, the developer edition, is a free trial edition. Okay, now we'll see one by one, guys, when we will go for this contact manager, when we will go for this group, professional, enterprise, unlimited. We'll see one by one. So first of all, we are having the contact manager edition. So what is this contact manager edition? Remember this point, guys. The contact manager edition is very, very basic edition in our Salesforce. And here the contact manager edition cost is $5 per user per month. Remember this point, guys. Our contact manager edition cost is $5 per user per month. By using of the contact manager edition, we will store our customer information. Remember this point, guys. The contact manager edition cost is $5 per user per month. By using of the contact manager edition, see, you can create maximum of 5 users. And one more important point, guys, by using of the contact manager edition, the license cost is $5 per user per month. If you create a 5 users means, then you need to pay $25 per month. Okay, so remember, first of all, what is a contact manager edition? The contact manager edition is a very, very basic edition in our Salesforce. The second point, guys, the contact manager edition cost is $5 per user per month. And by using of this contact manager edition, we will store our customer information. Only your customer information, guys. That's it. Apart from that, you cannot do anything else. Okay. Okay, so the next one is a group edition. So here, guys, the group edition cost is $25 per user per month. Remember this point? Here, the next concept is the group edition. So what is the use of this group edition? Remember this point, guys. Here, the group edition cost is $25 per user per month. By using of the group edition, you can create maximum of 10 users. But if you are using the group edition means, along with your customer information, you can create the lead information as well as your opportunity related information also. So see, what is mean by lead? A lead is a prospect, the person who are interested about your product. And the opportunities is nothing but we will store the offers also. So remember this point, guys. By using of the group edition, the you can create maximum of 10 user. And here the group edition cost is $25 per user per month. By using of the group edition, you can create maximum of 10 user, and by using of the group edition, you will store your customer information Along with your customer information, you can store your lead and opportunity related information. Okay, and the next point, guys, by using of the group edition, you can create one custom application. Guys, here remember two important point, guys. The first one is a standard and the second one is a custom. See guys, in our Salesforce, wherever you saw the standard means the functionalities whatever Salesforce provided, we will call it as standard. Remember this point? The functionalities whatever Salesforce provided, we will call it as standard. And see the custom is nothing but whatever we created, then we will call it as a custom. Okay, so see here, if you are using the group edition means you can create one custom application also. Got it? Okay, I am going for the next one. See, the next one is a provisional edition. So, what is this provisional edition? Remember this point, guys. The provisional edition cost is $65 per user per month. By using of this provisional edition, you can create unlimited number of users. Remember this point. The provisional edition cost is $65 per user per month. By using of the professional edition, you can create unlimited number of users. And one more important point, guys, by using of this professional edition, we will get the basic CRM system. The CRM system means if you want, you can store all the campaigns related information. If you want, you can store all the leads related information, all the accounts related information, all the opportunity related information, all the customer complaints also. So see, here by using of the professional edition, you will get one CRM system. And one more important point, guys, by using of the professional edition, you can create 5 custom applications. See, what is mean by custom application? The custom applications are nothing but applications whatever we created, then we will call it as custom application. So remember, guys, first of all, what is a professional edition? Here, the professional edition cost is $65 per user per month. By using of this professional edition, you can create unlimited number of users. And the next point, guys, by using of this professional edition, we will get one CRM system. And one more important point, by using of this professional edition, you can create maximum of 5 custom applications. Got it? Any questions, guys? Anyone? Any questions so far? Okay. I am going for the enterprise edition. See guys, the enterprise edition is the most widely used edition in our Salesforce, and the enterprise edition is the most popular edition also. So see, first of all, the enterprise edition is the most widely used edition in our Salesforce. And here the enterprise edition cost is $125 per user per month. By using of this enterprise edition, we can create maximum of 10 custom applications. And by using of the enterprise edition, we will get one full CRM system. And one more important point, guys, if you are using the enterprise edition means if you want, you can integrate with the external systems also. Like if you want to integrate Salesforce with a Java, Salesforce with a .NET, Salesforce with a SAP, like that, if you want to integrate the Salesforce with the any external application, in that case we will use this enterprise edition also. So remember the first point, guys, here the enterprise edition cost is $125 per user per month. By using of this enterprise edition, you can create unlimited number of users. And the next point, by using of the enterprise edition, if you want, you can integrate with the external system. And one more point, guys, by using of the enterprise edition, we will get the full CRM system. And by using of the enterprise edition, you can create maximum of 10 custom applications. Got it? Any questions, guys? Enterprise edition? Everybody clear? Okay. So The last one is unlimited edition. So see, unlimited edition cost is $300 per user per month. By using of the unlimited edition, you can create unlimited number of users, unlimited number of applications. And one more thing guys, by using of the unlimited edition, if you want, you can integrate with the external systems also. See, the name itself indicates, right? Unlimited. So by using of the unlimited edition, you can create unlimited number of applications and you can create unlimited number of user. And one more thing guys, here unlimited edition cost is $300 per user per month. Got it? And one more important point guys, here based on the requirement, based on their usage, based on the number of users, your client will take care of these editions guys. We no need to worry about these editions. Nobody will ask about these editions, their cost, nothing. Your client will take care of these editions. But as a Salesforce developer, remember about these editions. Okay, see, first of all, how many types of editions we have? We are having total 6 types of editions in our Salesforce. In that, the first 5 types of editions are licensed version. So what are the licensed version? First one is the contact manager edition. Here the contact manager edition cost is $5 per user per month. By using of the contact manager edition, you can create maximum of 5 users. And by using here the contact manager edition cost is $5 per user per month. By using of the contact manager edition, you can store your customer information. That's it. Apart from that, you cannot do anything else. The next one is a group edition. So what is the use of this group edition? Remember, the group edition cost is $25 per user per month. By using of the group edition, you can create maximum of 10 user. If you are using the group edition means you can create one custom application also. And in a group edition, along with your customer information, you can store your lead information as well as the opportunity related information also. So guys, here what is meant by lead? A lead is a prospect, the person who are interested about your product. So after that, we are having the professional edition. Here the professional edition cost is $65 per user per month. By using of the professional edition, you can create unlimited number of users. And by using of the professional edition, we will get the CRM system. And one more important point guys, by using of the professional edition, you can create maximum of 5 custom applications. And the next one is enterprise edition. Here the enterprise edition cost is $125 per user per month. Enterprise edition is the most widely used edition in our Salesforce. By using of the enterprise edition, we will create maximum of 10 custom applications. And the next, the unlimited edition, the license cost is $300 per user per month. By using of this unlimited edition, you can create unlimited number of users, unlimited number of applications. And one more point guys, by using of the enterprise edition and unlimited edition, if you want, you can integrate with the external systems also. Got it? And the next one is a developer edition. So what is this developer edition? Remember this point guys, the developer edition is a free trial edition in our Salesforce. For the practice purpose, our Salesforce introduced this developer edition. And this developer edition comes under lifetime availability. Remember this point guys, our developer edition will come the lifetime availability. Got it? Any questions, guys, in the additions? Anyone? Everybody clear so far? Okay. So the next, I am going for Visual Force architecture. Guys, see this architecture and let me know what you understood here. See this diagram. Everyone see this diagram carefully and let me know what you understood here. Anyone? Any idea, guys? Anyone?
Metadata is like a raw data. We are taking information from metadata and transferring to internet, something like that.
Yes, but not from the metadata. This is our Salesforce database. See, here the
Okay.
request starting from here. Okay, I'm taking a small example. So here the Karthik is a developer, guys. Okay, the Karthik is a developer. Whenever he implement any task through internet, it will goes to page compiler. Here your page compiler will compile your code, guys. If it finds any errors, your save will abort it and user will get the errors. If you don't have any errors means the data will stored into metadata repository. What is mean by metadata repository? Remember this point, guys. Metadata repository is nothing but our Salesforce database. Okay, so metadata repository is our Salesforce database. And see, here the data will stored into your metadata repository and page rendered. The page render is nothing but your page will refresh and user will get the changes. So remember, whenever you implement any task, what will happen? Through cloud, through internet, it will go to page compiler. Here your page compiler will compile the data. If it find any errors, then your save will abort it and user will notify with those errors. If you don't have any errors, means the data will stored into your metadata repository. Guys, what is a metadata repository? Here metadata repository is nothing but our Salesforce database. And one more important point, guys, here the metadata represent your the system understandable language. Okay, and page render means your page will refresh and user will notify with those changes. See, as a Salesforce developer, you need to concentrate on your task. That's it. The remaining things will take care of your Salesforce. And one more important point, guys, all this functionality done in fraction of seconds. Remember this point, all this functionality done in fraction of seconds. Got any questions in the architecture? Any questions, guys? Anyone? Okay. Shall we go for one next concept? So the next point, guys, how to create a developer edition. So here, as of now, we discussed all the theoretical and basic stuff, guys. So the next, we are planning to create a developer edition. In the developer edition, we will implement all the functionality. So now, the today's class, we are going to create a new developer account for our future enhancement. So see, first of all, if you want to create